So what are these UFOs? There's a bright one down towards the ground, right in the center of the screen. That is not a star. You'd think it is, but that, whatever that is not a star. And they've been flying in and out of this area here, behind those trees. Is that one there? Is that two? The other one's disappeared, the bright one's gone. Okay, here we go. Up to the left hand side, I'm holding perfectly still. You can see it up on the left of the tree line here. That one's definitely moving. There's two, three. Activity. There they are, swirling around each other. Can you see that? I'll zoom in. Very grainy. What are they all? The bright one's still gone. Let's see if we can capture some. I think the fog's coming in. Right in the middle on the right hand side. What's that? That flashing? So that pointy tree in the middle on the right hand side, that bright light on the right. So that tree right in the middle on the right hand side, that little tiny light, that shouldn't be there. That's not a star. There's a light. So you see through the trees in that light? Okay, here we go. That light through the tree coming in and it's disappeared. Oh, my phone is messing up. My phone keeps messing up. So the video recording on my phone keeps coming on and off. So bizarre, it keeps stopping. My phone keeps stopping. The video recording keeps coming on and off. I've got chills up and down my body, and the camera keeps turning on and off by itself, which never ever happens, which means there's definite activity here. That is insane. There was a what is that, UAP that flew across the house before and just completely turned off. There we go, look at that. Up there, is that an aeroplane or is that a UAP? I do not know. You tell me. There's some coming up from under the tree there. See the bright light flickering through the middle of the tree? Oh, my hair on my arms is standing up. I mean, that looks like an aeroplane to me. It doesn't explain everything else going on. What it doesn't explain is why my camera is turning on and off constantly. Oh, there's a light back behind the tree again. Gee, my hair is standing up on my arms. This is where the action starts. And again, my camera turns off. My video camera keeps turning off.